This is what made Cape Verde so dangerous, man. Not just in this game, but in the entire tournament, right? You cannot question them in terms of their defensive organization. They are very, very solid. And the Vuvoshina in goal, someone who, if their defense is breached, he still pulls off some incredible saves. But it's in these instances where they are most dangerous. You see, this is a free kick that Messi took in the beginning of the second half, extra time, right? Argentina obviously committed a lot of men forward. So there is a very high chance that we could see a counter-attacking situation here. But look at how they orchestrated. About as soon as they clear the ball, look at the men who commit to the press. Do you see this? 1, 2, 3, 4. These guys, they are just here to contest for second balls, right? This is the guy applying the pressure to make sure that whoever receives the ball doesn't have time to retain it, right? Look, all of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now they have outnumbered you instantly from defense to attack. And these are moments where Argentina were caught vulnerable in this game, and they almost conceded in some of these chances.